Good morning, children. Take out this book, English Literature, Wind Chimes 1. Chapter 3. Chapter 3, page 31. Listening. Question A. Listen to what each one has. Match pictures with the correct words. See the picture here. 5 pictures here. Elephant, tortoise, flower, bird, fish. Okay. I write here just name. Flower, flower, bird, okay, fish, elephant, tortoise. Children, see here, match the pictures with the correct words. Match the names with the correct words. Okay, so I write here petals. Okay, repeat again. My question is match the names with the correct words. Okay. Task, wings. I write here name, not draw the animals. Okay. Flowers, animals, just write the name. Wings, sails, fins, petals, trust, wings, sails, fins, petals, flowers. Okay, so you go flowers, tasks, elephant. Okay, so you go elephant, wings, bird, now sails, tortoise. Okay, fins, fish. Okay, next chapter 4, no birds. Everyone take out no birds. Read the page 33. Read the sentences and fill the blanks. Use the picture clues. One has been done for you. See the picture here. This is butterfly. Yes, this bird, monkey, tiger and lion. Okay, so now number 1, fill in the blanks. I am large. First question, I am large. I have a mane. I rode. Next question, I fly. I have feathers and a beak. Number 3 question, I fly. I love flowers. I am found in many colors. 4th question, I am playful. I can climb trees. Question 5, I have paws and wickers. I have stripes. Now children, take out your school homework copy. Okay. Everyone follow me. I write the answer here. Number 1, I am large. I have a mane. I rode. So fill in the blanks. You write here lion. Write here lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Again repeat again. L-I-O-N. Lion. Next. I fly. I have feathers and a beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. Beak. Bird. Right here bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Again repeat B-I-R-D. Bird. Okay. Question 3. I fly. I love flowers. I am found. I am found in many colors. In many colors. Yes, butterfly. See the picture here? Butterfly. Okay. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butterfly. F-L-Y. Fly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Okay. Next, 4. I am playful. Okay. I can climb trees. Who? Yes, monkey. Right here monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Repeat again. I am playful. I can climb. Sorry, B. I did. Okay. C-L-I-M-B. Climb. Climb tree. Trees. Not tree. Trees. Monkey. Okay. Next 5. I have paws and whiskers. I have stripes. Yes. Tiger. 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 Question 1. I am large. I have a mane. I roar. Lion. I fly. I have feathers and a beak. Bird. I fly. I love flowers. I am found in many colors. Butterfly. I am playful. I can climb trees. Monkey. I have paws and whiskers. I have stripes. So, stripes. E-S. Tiger. Okay. I hope everyone understood, children. Next. Everyone take out page 34. Okay. I am the no-no bird. That's right. That's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. I am the no-no bird. I won't say why. I stamp my feet and shout and cry. I am the no-no bird. I sulk and sing. No, no, no to everything. Written by Andrew Fusek Peter. Andrew Fusek Peters. See, left side, tantrum and sulk means this is word bank, to be upset. I am the no-no bird. मैं एक no-no bird हूँ. See the picture here. See one boy. I am the no-no bird. मैं एक no-no bird हूँ. That's right. That's me. सही समझे, वह मैं ही हूँ. I live up in the tantrum tree. मैं tantrum tree में रहता हूँ. Again I repeat, I am the no-no bird. That's right, that's me. I live up in the tantrum tree. मैं एक no-no bird हूँ. सही समझे, वो मैं ही हूँ. मैं tantrum tree में रहता हूँ. तो पेड़ में tree में रहता हूँ. Next, I am the no-no bird. I am the no-no bird. Tantrum tree means, again I repeat, tantrum tree means हर समय नखरे करते रहते हैं जो, उसको tantrum बोला जाता है. Tantrum tree. Tantrum tree means सब टाइम रोते रहते. See the picture. Every time is crying. Okay. So I am the no-no bird. मैं no-no bird हूँ. I won't say why. लेकिन मैं बोलूँगा नहीं मैं क्यों ऐसा हूँ. I stamp my feet. स्टैम्प, मैं पैर को जमीन में मारता हूँ, सी मारता हूँ, आई स्टैम्प माई फीट एंड शाउट एंड क्राई, और चिल्ला चिल्ला के रोता हूँ। सी द पिक्चर, ऐसा कैसा कर रहा है। अगेन आई रिपीट नेक्स्ट पैरा, आई एम द नो बर्ड, आई वोंट से व्हाई, आई स्टैम्प माई फीट एंड शाउट एंड क्राई। मैं नो बर्ड हूँ लेकिन मैं बोलूँगा नहीं, मैं क्यों ऐसा हूँ। मैं अपना पैर जमीन पर, पैर जो है उसका लेग, पैर को जमीन में मारता हूँ और चिल्ला चिल्ला के रोता हूँ। आई एम द नो बर्ड, मैं नो बर्ड हूँ। आई सल्क एंड सिंग, और मैं हमेशा चिड़चिड़ा हुआ रहता हूँ। टू बी अपसेट, और गाना एंड सिंग, क्या गाना, व्हाट गाना, क्राई, साउट, ये सब, ठीक है। नो 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 टू एवरीथिंग, नो 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 टू एवरीथिंग में मैं हर चीज में ना 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 बोलता रहता हूँ। नो बर्ड मीन्स इस पोएम में इस बच्चा को बोला गया है क्योंकि वह क्या कर रहा है, हर चीज में नो नो नो, हर चीज में मना करता रहता है। ठीक है, तो इसका राइटर कौन है, रिटन बाय एंड्रयू फ्यूसेक पीटर्स। Okay, so I hope everyone understood, learn, okay, this poem everyone learn. So your homework, children, take out your diary, your homework, page 31A, Chapter 3, Chapter 4, homework, page 33 or 34. 33 filling the blanks, or 34 no birds. I am the no bird. Okay. So I hope everyone understood this poem and chapter. So practice, children. Okay.